Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be writing some short O words. Remember, our job this week is to be able to read and write short O words. So we're going to practice writing each of these words 3 times. So the more we write the words, the better we are going to be able to read them and write them. So word number 1, let's write fog. What sounds do you hear? Ah. Good. Okay, let's write it. G. Fog. And let's write it 2 more times. F-O-G. One more time. F-O-G. Very good. We wrote fog. Next word. Let's pop up the sounds in hot. What sounds do you hear? T. Okay, let's write it. T. Good. Let's write it 2 more times. H-O-T. H-O-T. Good. Next word. Let's write the word zop. What sounds do you hear? Z, A, P. Zop. Z, A, P. Zop. Z, O, P. Z, O, P. Good. Next word. Let's write the word mom. What sounds do you hear in mom? M, A, M. M, A, M. M, O, M. Oh, Mr. Stewart, can you hear him? He's being so silly. He's playing a video game. Oh, now all the kids in my house are going crazy. Can you hear them? They're so silly. Okay, we have 4 more words. We're halfway done. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do hop. What sounds do you hear? Hop. Hop. H-O-P. H-O-P. Oh, can you hear my dog, Clarabelle? Let's do the word dog since she's barking. Let's do dog. What sounds do you hear? D, A, G. Maybe she wants to do word work with us. D, A, G. Dog. She's barking, huh? D, O, G. D, O, G. Dog. Let's do 2 more words. Let's do bop. What sounds do you hear? B, A, P. Bop. B, A, P. Bop. B, O, P. One more time. B, O, P. All right. And our last word. She is so silly. She just wants to say hi to all of her friends. Pop. P, A, P. Pop. P, O, P. P, O, P. And the last one, P, O, P. Good job, boys and girls. You did a great job. Let's put this in the turn-in basket and get started on Lexia.